Hello! It's great to see you again. Have you ever seen an object move by itself? No, not like that. What I mean is bringing life to an object, making it move on its own. Stop motion is a technique that you might already know. But do you know which is one of the greatest stop motion moments in the history of movies? King Kong. King Kong is a movie from 1933. It was animated by the pioneer Willis O'Brien, who is also remembered for animating the first dinosaur. There are different types of stop motion. You have claymation using clay, pixilation using the human body, cutouts animation using many different types of paper. There's so many styles. Today we'll focus on one type that is very important to understand the other animations. It's called found object animation. You'll basically need 4 things: your phone, 2 objects, and imagination. So, I already have my phone. For the next object, you will ask a grown-up, older than you, and you'll ask them for an object that is meaningful to them. You already made your museums with your special objects, but now what about asking someone else's? In my case, I'll ask Grandma Jenny. So I'm going to ask Grandma Jenny for a meaningful object. Come on. Hola.
Hola.
¿Usted tiene algún objeto especial, algo de valor que sea significativo para usted?
Déjame pensarlo.
6 hours later.
Ay, mira, este carrito.
¡Wow!
Wow.
A ver. Y Jenny, más o menos, ¿de qué año es ese carrito?
De los 60.
¿De los 60?
Ajá.
¡Wow! Eso es hace un montón de tiempo.
Muchos años. Yo estaba jovencita.
Jenny, ¿por qué eso es importante para usted?
Porque me recuerda a los juguetes de mi hijo,
Ajá.
que jugaba mucho con él.
Sí, ¿por qué más es importante?
Bueno, porque todos esos años lo he guardado.
¿Ah,
como
sí?
una reliquia. Y para mí es importante para mí, mi carrito.
Mm-hmm. After asking your grown-up for the object, ask them what was going on in the world at that time. Do some research. I bet you'll find very interesting things. In this case, this is from the 60s. So I will put on my time-traveling sunglasses. Whoa! These are the Beatles. Probably one of the most famous boy bands in history. They made a profound impact in popular culture and in many generations. It's so freaking awesome to be here. I can't believe I'm here. This is why I even had to change clothes. Far in there is Martin Luther King, one of the most influential African-American leaders in history. And we are in Washington, in the actual moment when he gave the world-famous speech, "I have a dream."
I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character.
Oh, wait. Where am I? Whoa! Who are those people? They are zombies! Of course, I'm in the 60s and this is the first zombie movie ever made. The Night of the Living Dead.
They're coming to get you, Barbara.
No, they are coming to get me. Please don't, please don't. I'm your fan. I'm a huge fan. I'm a huge fan. No, no. Whoa. Whoa, that was really close. I'll better take off my time-traveling sunglasses. The trip was getting too dangerous. Let's go and do stop motion. To make our animations, we will use an application called Stop Motion Studio. We will only use the free version. Stop motion is a technique for creating the illusion of movement just by moving the object and taking pictures. Let's see how this works. So, because stop motion is about taking pictures, the first thing we will do is make sure that we are taking the right amount of pictures. The standard for stop motion is 12 pictures per second. To help me with this process, I'll activate a stopwatch and set it to take one picture every 3 seconds. In this case, that will save me some time. Now, let's start taking one picture, move the object a little bit, take another picture, move it a little bit, and so on and so forth. And what happens if there's an accident, or you misplaced the object, or maybe you moved it too much? When you lose track of the last position of your object, you'll use something called onion skin. Onion skin is a tool that allows you to see where the object was in the last picture, so you can reposition it. When you finish your animation, go back and review the clip. If you find any mistakes or any pictures that you want to delete, tap on the picture and delete it. Let's go back to export the video. You need to select it and hit export and save it in your phone. And now let's do another scene so you can learn how to put together two different animations in a single video. To put together two different videos, let's download the application SpriteVideo. This application will allow you to put together all the clips you want. Just add your first clip and select where you want it to start and finish. And press done. Let's add the second animation we made. Let's add the elephants. I invite you to put some music. The application already has music for you, but you can also choose one from your own phone. And now, what about a mashup between that object and one of the ones you showed in your museum? Okay guys, so in this lesson you learned the principles of stop motion. Once you master this technique, you'll see that your mind is now free and will generate lots of ideas for different stop motions with different materials. But in this lesson you also brought two generations closer. You made two generations meet using the principles of stop motion. See you on Thursday. Goodbye.